Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily use spacer and divider for your site in Bigcommerce. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just click here on page builder and you're going to see here spacer and divider. And it's like really pretty simple. So what you want to do is just add a divider here. And you can have a divider here. This is really cool if you want to just really create a and spacer. Quite simple, quite easy, and I don't know what else should I talk to you about here. You can also use spacer if you want to use it for your columns. There's also possibility when you get like your layout, and that's probably it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Bye.